This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy application to use. Here you have the United States section. This is pretty much where you go select your servers. As you can see here, you can tap on the change option here, and this is pretty much where you go select your servers. So do keep in mind you have a lot of server section. You have the fastest server section, you have streaming servers, gaming servers, browsing servers, other site servers, and also high-speed download servers. And as well, you have they do quite a lot of servers which you can choose from. As you can see here, you can scroll on and see a lot of servers which you can choose from. So do keep in mind these servers are not for free. As you can see here, they do have the like block icon, and you're going to need subscription to pretty much access these servers down here. But you'll be able to use these free servers, but you'll still need to watch an ad to be able to access these servers. I'm going to show you how. So for the free servers, if you don't have a subscription for these free servers, you have to select whichever server you want to use. Let's say, for example, you want to use the Brazil server, you can tap on the server that you want to use, and it will pretty much give you an option if you want to watch ads or you want to get a subscription. Now, some of the times it will just load up an ad randomly. Once it does that, it will at the top tells you that it's a reward, so you need to completely watch off the ads. Once the ads is completely finished, then you pretty much start and you'll be able to connect to that server. So that's pretty much for the server section, the free server section, but you pretty much will need to watch an ad. But if it does show this, you can tap on the free access option. It will pretty much go ahead and load up an ads. All you have to do is pretty much wait until the ads is finished. As you can see here, it will say reward in, and it will pretty much count down how much minutes or not minutes, seconds remaining for the ads to be finished. So as you can see, it will take a while. So once it's finished, you go ahead and tap on the X option here. Once you tap on X option, you will pretty much start connecting to the VPN connection. So every time that you want to choose any server, you have to pretty much go through this process of getting connected to any one of these servers. And do keep in mind you don't have any connection time limit or anything like that, so it's very easy to connect to these VPN servers, and you're pretty much good to go. So at the top here, you do see a diamond icon. You can tap on the diamond icon up top here, and this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. So as you can see, you have a weekly subscription and a monthly subscription here. And as well, you can go ahead and enable this feature here as it relates to getting a free trial. So they do give you an option to get 3 days free trial. So do make sure you enable this here to get a 3 days free trial if you want to test out their file servers and all the premium servers that they offer. So once you have pretty much enabled that, you can go ahead and test out their free servers and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for their subscription. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for the application. So very easy to use. You do have other premium or the subscription based features. If you do go in the security section here, you do get the kill switch option, and you do get a browser option, and also the parental control option, which you can use. Once you do get the subscription, you'll be able to enable these other features as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, guys, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you. See you in the next one.